Understanding canvas awning in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase in English: canvas awning. This might seem like a simple combination of words, but it holds a lot of practical significance, especially in architecture and everyday life. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it. Canvas awning is a phrase composed of two distinct words, canvas and awning. Let's break them down individually. 1. Canvas. This word refers to a strong, heavy cloth made from hemp, flax, cotton, or a similar yarn. It's known for its durability and is commonly used in making sails, tents, marquees, and backpacks. 2. Awning. An awning is a sheet of material stretched on a frame. It's designed to provide shade or shelter from the weather, usually over a window or doorway. Combining these two, a canvas awning is essentially a protective covering made from canvas fabric, used to shield from sun or rain. Now that we know what a canvas awning is, let's talk about its uses. Shade and comfort. Primarily, canvas awnings are used to create shaded areas, making outdoor spaces more comfortable, especially in sunny climates. Energy efficiency. By blocking direct sunlight, they help in reducing cooling costs in buildings. Aesthetic appeal. They often add a decorative touch to exteriors of homes, cafes, or shops. Protection from elements. They protect windows, doors, and outdoor furniture from rain and sun damage. Canvas awnings come in various styles and colors. When choosing one, consider factors like durability, how well the material can withstand weather conditions; style, the design should complement the building's architecture; maintenance, regular cleaning is necessary to prevent mold and extend its life. We hope this video has been informative in understanding what a canvas awning is and its significance. Whether you're planning to install one or just curious about the term, knowing these details can be surprisingly helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.